Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. So in today's video, I want to share my May BOYCHARM. I was so excited to get this. I've seen the affiliate people who are part of their affiliate program share their boxes, and I was super excited because in this month's box, there's a bonus item in here. And if you don't know what BOYCHARM is, it is a $21 subscription beauty box that you get every month, and it usually has between 4 to 5 full-size makeup products or skincare items in it. But this month in May, we received a bonus item, so I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So if you interested in BOYCHARM, I will link their website down below in the description box. Let me know down below if you received anything different this month, if you're already a BOYCHARMer, that's what they call it. And yeah, so if you want to see what I got in my BOYCHARM for the month of May, then give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos, so I'll know if you guys want me to still do them. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss the next upload. And without further ado, let's see what's in my BOYCHARM box. So this is what the box looked like. I was in the middle of opening it and I was like, you know what, let me just film a video. They may want to see it, they may not, but we'll see. But the box comes like this with all of the items. And then it comes with the card. So this month it is Boxy Bash, and the card looks like this. And on the back of the card, it tells you what each item is and how much it is. So the cool thing about this box is that each item in here is usually worth more than what the entire box costs. So you're definitely getting more bang for your buck. So I just wanted to throw that out there. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out of my box is this Cover FX Blurring Primer. It looks like this. A blurring primer that instantly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines to create a super smooth, flawless airbrush look. Let's see. So on the card, it says that this Cover FX blurring primer is $38. So this is definitely well over the total amount of the entire box. I can't even get the word out. But yes, it is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. So I'm super excited to try this. I love a blurring primer. Lately, I've been trying that YSL one, but Cover FX, gotta try that one out. So the next thing I'm gonna pull out is this brush. Let me just open it up. Wow, nice and fluffy, pretty sturdy. This is Aesthetica. Am I reading that right? Aesthetica. The Aesthetica P12 face brush. With synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. Super soft and fluffy, so I'm excited about this. The minute I saw that like brushes were coming in this box, I was super excited because I hate to say this, but I do not like cleaning my brushes as often as I should. So whenever I see new brushes, I'm super excited, okay? So the next set is a 3-set Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. If I can get it open. So this is the 3-piece eye trio. So you could use this for your brows. This is to comb out those brows, the spoolie, and then an eyeliner brush. Or you could use that white one for an eyeliner brush as well. Oh, I didn't mention that the P12 brush is $27 by itself. The 3-piece Aesthetica brush set is $45 for these 3-piece eyebrow or eye trio. So the next item I see here is a matte lip gloss. This is by Beauty Creations. This is a liquid lip gloss. Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long-wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. So this is in the color Kiss Me. Oh, it's a pretty color. It's a regular doe foot applicator. And I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. It smells like candy. But that is what it looks like on my skin tone. Don't mind the swatch. So yeah, that's interesting to see that it is a matte liquid lip gloss. It smells like strawberries. It smells really good. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. And that was $10. So that's a good deal for that one. So this one was really intriguing to me because, as you guys know, if you watch any of my videos, I am still trying to learn like a really precise wing liner. So it'll be interesting for me to try this jar out. This is the Pretty Vulgar, and this is what it looks like. Pretty Vulgar. This is the Pretty Vulgar the Ink Gel Eyeliner. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. So you can definitely use one of those eye trios to create a look. As a matter of fact, let's see how black it is. So I'm going to take the big angled brush and just dip it in there. Oh wow. This is just with a little bit from that brush. So you can definitely pull off a lot here. Cool. All right, I'm super excited to try that out. The price for that was $24. It's really sturdy, so I'm excited to practice and try my eyeliners with this. And then last but not least is the bonus item that we got for this month, and this is the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor Palette. Pure has really amazing packaging, you guys. Very chic and sleek. This is a 4-shade sculpting palette. I'll open it up for you guys. They really do sell these up, you guys. Seriously. So it comes with a little mirror. It has your typical a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlights, which would be these 2, and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. So that is that. Let's swatch the highlighters. I'm super intrigued to see. Whoa. You guys, that was one swipe of, it's called Originator, which was this one right here. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is called Trailblazer. Wow. Those are some beautiful highlighters. Now I'm going to swatch the 2 contour shades. I'm excited to try these. Pretty decent contour shades for my skin tone. So yeah, that is the Pure Sculptor Palette, and this retails for $30. So that is everything that was in my BoxyCharm. Super sweet, super simple. I was super excited to see all of these items in hand rather than someone showing me on Trendmood or Instagram or whatever the case may be. So I was super excited to share this with you guys. Let me know down below if you tried any of these products, heard of these brands, if you have BoxyCharm. And if not, if you're interested, I'll have their link down below in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more BoxyCharm unboxing videos, so I'll know if you guys still want me to keep doing these videos. Also, if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.